Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your network on Solflare app. Well, it is a quite simple process. All you have to do is first of all launch your app. And here you can see we are on the main page of the app. In order to change your network, what you're going to do is tap on the settings that you can see on the bottom right corner right here. And now here you will be able to see the option of general, tap on it. And then you can see the option of network, tap on it. Here you can see there are three different networks given to you. Now tap on the network that you want to switch on. Here I will be tapping on testnet.
By switching test networks, it will modify your displayed balance in your wallet. Balances like SOL and USDC may be appeared as zero.
And then tap on continue. Here it will automatically take you to the main page, and now you have successfully changed your network. In order to check it, you can always go back to the settings, tap on general and tap on network. Now you can see you are using testnet network. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.